How to fix if Tinder is not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video we will discuss what you can do to fix the issue if Tinder is not working on your device. So let's start. First of all, try opening the app and log into your account. After that, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now if the Tinder app has not been working on your device, then the first thing that you might do is check your internet connection. Sometimes your app might not open or get stuck in the loading screen if your internet connection is weak. So make sure your internet connection is strong and reliable. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the issue persists. The another method that you can do is update the app to the latest version. For that, simply go to your store. Then after, look for Tinder and make sure it is updated to the latest version. If you find any updates available, make sure to install it. Then after, try opening the app once again and the issue might be fixed. Finally, if the app is not working even after doing these steps, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstall it. After reinstalling the app, log into your account and then try using it. Even after doing all of these steps, if the app is still not working properly, then you can use Tinder from the website. For that, you can simply go to the official website of Tinder, which is tinder.com, and then use it from there. So by using these methods, you can fix the issue if Tinder is not working on your device. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.